This problem asks us to find the area and perimeter for a square, shown right here, whose side, one side, is 16 inches in length. Well, the first thing that we know about squares is squares, by definition, each side is the same length. They have each side the same length, and each angle is the same too, 90 degrees. Here, if each side is the same length, we know that each side is going to be 16 inches on each side. So we can go ahead and mark that down, 16 inches on each side. Now, how do we find the area? We find the area for squares and rectangles by multiplying the length times the width, or base times height. So in this case, it's going to be 16 times 16. Each side is the same. And we can set that up, 16 times 16, to find the area. 6 times 6 is 36. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 3 is 9. And then we're going to have 1 times 6, and that's going to be 110 times 6 ones. So we're not going to have anything in the ones place. We can put a 0 there so that we can remember that. Then 1 times 6 is 6, and 1 times 1 is 100. And then we add it up. 6 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. And then 1 plus 1 is 2, 200s. Our answer for the area is 256. 256 square inches. It's square inches because it's a square. We're multiplying this side times this side to see what the area is, the two-dimensional space is, the area is, on the top of this square. All right, what's the perimeter? Well, how do we find perimeter? Perimeter and area can be confusing. Sometimes people confuse that. One of the analogies that I like to think about here is visit to a restaurant that we have here in my neighborhood, Guido's famous Italian restaurant. It's a delicious place. Been in the family for generations. It's got lasagna on Thursday nights, linguine with clam sauce on Fridays, Tuesdays, free cheese toast. Try it, you'll love it. It's wonderful. Here, we've got a table at Guido's. And around the table, we've got 4 chairs. The area is the table itself, one table. The perimeter is how many people can sit around the outside. P for perimeter, P for people. So here, the area is 1. Perimeter is 4 people in this case. Now for our example that we started with, this square, it's not measured in people, but rather in inches around the outside. We have 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16. That measurement around the outside is going to give us the perimeter. And the easiest way to do that, of course, is to multiply 16 times 4. And if we do that, 4 times 6 is 24. And 1 times 4 plus 2 is 6. And that is the perimeter measurement for this square. And it's not in square inches, but rather just in inches, because that's a linear measurement. We're measuring around the outside of this square. As always, there's a practice problem that you can link to on the website, lionsmathzone.com, that goes with this particular problem here so that you can practice it on your own.